Welcome back to Fabio's Fabulous Reviews. I'm Fabio, and today I'll be unboxing the latest model brand new Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier. So let's get started. So this Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier features a convenient continuous drain option, meaning you can save time and skip emptying the water bucket. Now, the package itself only weighs 45 pounds. That's only 4 more pounds than the actual unit. The measurements of the box are roughly 20 by 20 by 10, and it's only a few more inches in the actual unit. To open up the box, it just has a simple tape that you have to cut on the top of it, and when you open up all 4 lids, you're going to have there the actual unit with a styrofoam and 2 straps. I highly recommend cutting the 2 straps, and when you remove the styrofoam, you're going to have the unit there. The unit is wrapped in a clear cellophane with a blue tape around it. That's just keeping the actual unit protected. Cut the blue tape, and when you remove it, you're going to have your entire unit right there. Now, the unit itself, as you can see, only a few more inches smaller than the actual box for its obviously for its protection. Now, the unit has the attached to the side the instructions and the actual app setup and registration. That was the back of the unit. Now you have the top, which is the electronic control panel, and in the back of it, you're going to have the actual plug that is 6 feet in length, which you're going to need because you're not allowed to place the dehumidifier near a wall. If not, it'll absorb all the moisture from it. So you have enough length to stretch it. You have there the actual clip that'll strap that'll hold the cord, and you saw there the water drainage. You have the actual filter, as you can see there, the filter nice and clear, easy to remove. What I did notice straight from warehouse is the actual evaporator fins. They came damaged right there, as you can see, but it doesn't make big of a deal of it. Things happen, I guess, when production started with this actual unit. To put back the actual filter, you just got to stick it back in into the little holes, push it in, and it'll make a little click. And that is that. The location of the 50 pint water bucket is on the side of the actual unit, and it's simple. Just remove the tape, pull it out, and it has a little handle which encloses when it's not in use, and it's easy to lift up, and that holds 50 pints of water. Inside, when you're unpacking this, you will find there the hose for the continuous water drainage. It's about 6 feet long, and also you will find there the 4 canister wheels, which is going to be utilized to move your unit, since it is a little on the 41 pounds of heaviness. Now, the 4 canister wheels are small, but they're not that hard to install. All you got to do is elevate the unit about 30 degrees. Obviously, I did mine about 75. Place all 4 wheels on each corner where the holes are allotted, and place it back down and let it sit for about 30 minutes because of the gases. And that's it. And you spin me round, round, baby, round, round. It's easy to move, easy to navigate. And finally, the download of the Frigidaire app, which is available either at the Apple or Google Play Store. And once you open up the app, you just follow the prompts. It starts locating your appliance or the dehumidifier via Bluetooth. As soon as it connects with your Bluetooth and the unit, it then starts looking for the Wi-Fi available at your house. When it connects to your Wi-Fi, it's done so with the mode button on the actual electronic control panel of the dehumidifier. Once it connects, that is that. The setup is complete. You name your appliance what you want, and it connects now to the dehumidifier, and that is that. This is the Frigidaire 50 pint dehumidifier available now. And if you really like this video, like it, comment, please subscribe, and I want to thank you very much. Be safe.